your boy Whips TVs, man. Look, I'm on a job on the Camaro again. So I'm about to show y'all what I'm about to do. So I just took this off so I can take the belt off. So my next move is get a 15 millimeter. I'll see 15. Take the alternator bolt off. It's only 2. But first of all, you gotta take the battery cable off. So let me go do that. I got the new alternator in. Y'all see it. This alternator from factory. So this why it got replaced. You see it? It was making noise. It got play in it. So we about to hook the battery up, hook the belt up, make sure everything is good. So I'm gonna cut y'all back on.